a 2010 Mercedes Sprinter, long wheelbase.
This is our cockpit area. This is a table.
I have the foam custom made. You can just go online, and I think it was delivered next day. Underneath here we've got quite a lot of storage. You can control the heating through this thermostat.
And you have a nice private shower.
This is Alex's side. We've got a hammock that hooks on here.
Oh, chilling are we dear?
Close it up, we've got a blackout blind, turn the extractor fan on. It pulls the straight passes all night long, keeping us nice and cool.
Switches for the fridge, the water pump and some of the lights in the van. We have 400 watts of solar panels, two 140 amp hour batteries and a 1000 watt inverter.
We keep here our cups and bits of dry food and spices. So when I'm cooking, I've got the extractor fan on. It's a fantastic fan. This is our cooker, which runs off LPG. Underneath the drawer is our fridge freezer.
So this is where we fill up the LPG, pop the end on, and when it comes off, the British one's quite boring, but when this one pops off, how's it go?
I said boom!
Whoa! And it costs us, I think, €8 was it to fill it?
This is the back of the van. Best part about the back for me, it's handy just to like wash all the sand and salt water off my kit.
Got this shelf space.
Bye!